I've been on my own basically since I was 10, with nobody to teach me anything except for how to use heroin. And I was laying out front, didn't know where I was at. I was just in a fog, wrapped up in a blanket, almost froze to death, and a man named Barry Graham came to me and offered me help. He took me upstairs, got me warm, something hot to drink, and ever since that day he's been there for me and done and everything, but broke his back to do everything he can possibly do for me. He's pointing me in the right direction to do everything, teaching me how to do what I need to do. He's got me my birth certificate, social security card, ID, job. It's wonderful to know that you got somebody that's behind you and will do anything they can to help you in any way possible.
Coming to Baltimore HealthCare Access and having them to guide us through it and actually helping us to get health insurance for the kids is a big relief. And now I'm okay with, my daughter, my youngest now is 1 who has ear infections too as well. I'm like, okay, I can pick up the phone and like, hi, I need to bring Maya or Courtney in because I think their ears might be in trouble, infected again, and they're like, come on in. And I don't have to worry, I can just jump in my car and I can just go to the doctor's office and not have to worry about if there's something that I need to pay or if I have money enough to pay for them to see the doctors or get money for the prescriptions that the doctor might prescribe for them.
All I ever wanted to be in life was a mother. I was suicidal when I called Miss Green because I felt that that was it. Even though I had family, even though there were people who cared about me, I couldn't reach that. That was remote from me. Miss Green came into my home. She sat down. She looked at me. And when she looked at me, I could see that she really, really cared. It wasn't what she said to me. It was how she said it. It was the way she touched me. It was the way that she soothed me. She didn't give me any false hopes. She didn't give me any panaceas. But what she gave me was what was within myself, the strength to go on.
I'm determined I'm going to be successful somewhere in life. I want to be at least comfortable in my life before I get too old. They found me when I was incarcerated, and they came and visited me. And as soon as I came home, this is the first place I came to. They helped me out with like bus tokens. As soon as I came home, I had no way to get home. They gave me bus tokens, and from that day forth, everything just got a little better with them. They helped me they got me the job. Actually, they put me in line for the job. They got they got me bus passes, and they even got me clothes when I needed clothes for the interviews, and health insurance. They've been real good to me.
Well, I know at the time I was going through so many emotions. First of all, the emotions of having another baby when you're already out of work. Without having a place like this, I think a lot of people would be in dire straits about, what can I do? I'm feeling poorly, or this is coming up in my life, and I really need, this attention, medical attention, and I have nowhere to go. But this place allows a different alternative and a way to get help. My children are the most important thing in in my life. I want them to be safe and healthy.